What's up, guys? It's been a minute. This is my Infiniti G37, G37s. It's got intakes and exhaust from the white pipe back, basically stock headers. This is my Infiniti. I sold my Honda, traded it. Just put tires on it. Got a lot of work done to it recently. Valve cover gaskets, rear lower control arms, eccentric rings. Look how meaty this fucking fitment is. Damn, boy. I just put this wing on too. It's mad nice. This is my Speed Factory. It's a 4-inch tip, but a 3-inch. It's under. It's full exhaust. New eccentric rings. It's clean under here. Sunroof gang. It's a 6-speed too. 6-speed. It's got 204,000 miles on the body, but it has 140,000 on the motor. Well, probably like 142,000 miles now. Super clean. Look at that, back seats and everything. Has a tear right there, but no biggie. I really like how the spoiler looks. Damn, bro. Look at that turn down. That shit dumb nice. I might get some sound clips for you guys, so you guys can hear my exhaust. Yeah, man, it's my Infiniti. I really like this car. Look at that. Big flex. Hold up. Big flex. This is my Infiniti G37. 6-speed. It's brand new. I sold the EG because I just got bored of it, to be honest with you guys. It was rotted too. Wasn't really trying to deal with that. This car is just overall a lot better. I do have plans for it, but right now, you know, I'm just trying to, you know, fix all the maintenance things, the things it needs. It's a very fun car though. I can't lie about that. Great car. Really like it a lot. Fucking, even the sunroof is clean. Look at that. Shit dumb nice. Type shit. See how it pulls and stuff. It's basically stock. It just got intakes, stock headers, stock cats. It's got a aftermarket wide pipe, straight pipe all the way back to a vibrant resonator, 18-inch bottle style, and a Speed Factory turn down. Got it done for like 300 bucks. Nothing bad. Great welds too. If you're in New Jersey area, I would recommend you to Tony's Mufflers in Wallington, I think. And yeah, they're, you know, got it done for cheap. Great welds, cool people, cool old guy. But I'm gonna give you guys some POV, just you know, how I've been and shit. I had my daughter already. It's been great, you know. It's looking good, looking good. I don't know if y'all can see that. I just upgraded my GoPro Hero 12. And hopefully I can give you better content like fresh kicks. You know, because this content be gas, you know. I don't even know which way to go. Here. I'm not gonna play any audio for you guys. I want you guys to hear it. Sounds good, but I think it's not too loud. Like, I want more loudness. Trying to get some PPE headers. Happy Halloween to you guys too. Well, it's the day after, but you know, happy Halloween. Hope that's not a cop. Let me take this off. Sorry for the wind noise. It's too windy outside. I don't know why the fuck this BMW trying to turn into me. Kind of following me, but I don't know if you guys can see that. But I do plan to get another K car. Well, I'm gonna get a K car. It's gonna be another hatch. Plan to get it in a shell. And want to do a K series. You know, K24, 20. B series was cool, you know, B20V, I had a bill head, fucking Carmen Singros trans, I was able to beat the living shit out of it, but K, man, K is just crazy. And I'm new to this VQ world, you know, so I'm learning as I go. Been in this Honda shit for a while, since I was a sophomore in high school. I want to get a pull-in. There's a car up front. I'm gonna try to get a pull in the tunnel. It's a second gear. You know, this car is up front, so. mean, she pulls, man. I mean, it's pretty strong. I really like it. Now, let me get a pull in here. I know you need a tune. I talked to admin already. I didn't know that you could get your fucking tune just off your stock ECU. You know, I thought it was kind of like Honda, where you had to get a different fucking ECU. Wow. But it's, you know, these cars are kind of cool. Oh, bitch ass nigga. Crash into me. I really enjoy this car. I don't think it's ever been beaten on, so I'm the new asshole owner. Just hear the exhaust right quick. Basically, it's a stock G. Just intakes. I think their engine intakes 2.5. I'm not sure. Exhaust is a full 3-inch. Besides stock headers, I don't even have test pipes or nothing like that. Probably gonna pull into here. Oh, it's on, I didn't even get to tell you guys, it's on, 10 lowering springs, but my fucking struts are blown right now. Like I said, I'm just doing all the important shit first, but, let me step outside. But yeah, guys, hopefully, you guys stick around for the content. How she's sitting. That sitting super nice. Really like the rear end of the. Listen to that bad bit purr. Nah, I mean. Still on stock headers too. But yeah, man, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully I could catch up with you guys with more content. And let me know in the comments, well, if you're watching this, if the quality is good compared to my last videos. I'm hoping for the best of it, to be honest with you. Don't mind the mess right there. But yeah, let me know. For those who actually watch my videos, so I got the GoPro Hero 12 today, better from the 9, and catch you guys later. Deuces.